Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over all the different ways that you can go about getting the upgraded Nintendo Switch 2 edition versions of Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom. So if you're like me and you already own the Switch 1 versions of Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom, then you can get the DLC upgrade for these, and we can find those over in the Nintendo eShop. So if we launch that, and then we can search for Zelda. And once we search for Zelda, we should be able to find the upgrade pack. It's $9.99 for each game. If you purchase the upgrade pack, then you're going to have that Switch 2 edition version when you put your Switch 1 game cartridge into your Switch 2, or if you already owned it digitally on your Nintendo account, it would work that way as well. Now, if you've never purchased the Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom or Breath of the Wild, you can always just buy the Nintendo Switch 2 editions, and those are the options that are $79.99 for Tears of the Kingdom and $69.99 for Breath of the Wild, compared to just upgrading the versions that you already had for $9.99. The other way you can go about getting access to these upgrades is through your Nintendo Switch Online subscription. If you have the Online Plus Expansion Pack subscription, then the $9.99 upgrade DLCs for those games are included with that online subscription. So you would get those if you already owned the Switch 1 versions of Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom, and you had the Online Plus Expansion Pack, you would get those upgraded versions with that, as long as you continued to have that online subscription. So those are all the different ways that you can go about getting the upgraded Nintendo Switch 2 editions for Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdom. Just a quick recap: if you already own the Switch 1 versions of these games, you can get the $9.99 if you live in the United States upgraded versions either through the eShop, or if you have the online subscription plus expansion pack, it's included with that subscription, as long as you have that subscription active. And lastly, if you haven't purchased these games before, you can get the Nintendo Switch 2 editions, the full purchase of those games as well. So I hope this quick video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and continue subscribing for more.